man think gonna hurt me.
Outside.
A few moments later.
If a man bursts inside of you, you'll be dead in 4 hours. Man.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them love.
One, you don't know a Media Fox, you know. Yo, people, pick up on yourself, you know. You see it. But people, we're going to show them art of war, because them not understand, you know. May I show you how Alkaline deal with the 6. And it's like, the way the man them, the way how Alkaline destroy the 6. Yo, the man do it in a strategic way. Seeing? Like the song them, place the right way, the right song them at the right time. And all of the song them follow up. Seeing? So if you look on the screen, you don't know state of emergency. So if you look on the cover, right? So where you see some man with some 16 mass up with some Chinese people, see? You know, said this was an incident you're going. It big over the news, man. Them and police and everybody. You see it? Where shoot out with them and thing and them go rob one Chinese place. Seeing? But that is what me just show you the picture where you see is a real scenario. But look at now what this mean. So this means say, yo, this in a lyrical way, this is not a physical way where something happen in a real life with Alkaline and the 6 them, right? You don't know Squash, Kenneth Lord, Daddy One. Seeing? So what happened now, this what I mean with Alkaline thing when, yo, him and him killers them, lyrically, running in a mobile, seeing? And go for squash them. Yeah. Go for them and take them out. You see, we owe them money and take out the Chinese people them when them done rob the store. Yeah. I saw Alkaline and him killers them running a mobile lyrically and take out squash them. You see it? Yeah. And you know what man them do? After a man take out them, you know, 'cause I remember, you know, state of emergency, you know. Alkaline and him killers them running. You see it? Corral the place. Yeah. You see, after a man them corral the place now and kidnap squash them. Yeah, man, me go tell you what man them do now. Seeing? Man deal with them billions. Cause look at art of war, you know. You can't left nobody. Nobody you can't left. Me I tell you. Cause look at now, if you look pan, remember, you know, this, I think maybe it's some Gleaner thing. This, if you have a Sunday Gleaner, you will see the look at date announcement thing where you see some people will pass away and, you know, but look at now, you see Frog Face. Yeah, Frog Face. You don't know that a chronic law. Yeah, man, chronic law that. You don't know turtleneck now. You don't see him face, you just see one shadow. Yeah. Him now a squash. You see, if you look up at the top, up here so now, you see Shabniam. That are them producer. Yeah. And then you don't know them 2 youth, one with the spliff in their mouth. You don't know that are them brother. Yeah. And the next one now, other squash other brother. So them 2 youth there, what you see? When name Danny G. Yeah. I think them say police take him out. You see it. So you don't know Alkaline. I go for everybody. That are the art of the war. Where when you go after people, you have to, if you go after a crew or a person who come from a crew or a gang, you have to go for everybody. You can't just go for one. You understand? You can't make nobody live. Yeah. I saw the thing said. So you don't know Alkaline running a mobile lyrically. Yeah. And then now him do him for do. So you know say every man you saw. Until another one, what name? Bobby, it looks like what? Bobby 6 or one of them. So man just go for everybody. Deal with them. Billions. You see, that announcement. Yeah. So look here now. Alkaline did a deal with them so billions. Man them a ball till all 6. Till all what name? Squash. Producer. Manager. Seeing? Run out, yo. Mercy. Please, man, I beg you. Tell Alkaline, so yo, stop your war, but look here now. Alkaline not take no chat. No mercy. No mercy. Remember, you know, the man running at the place, state of emergency. But take out, squash them, lyrically. Seeing? After him deal with them, and the way him deal with them in a way, yo, so vicious. Buried everything, no left nothing. Man, him a ball for mercy, you know. You see it? So Alkaline say, yo, no mercy, everything I give, everybody I get it. Yeah. I saw you have to do it. So this a little warrior where you see I go on with Massican. That's why people in attack say, brother, if you are going to use a man flow, bro, seeing, you can't add this, you have to this everybody, brother. Everybody in a camp, you have to this, you have to keep. You understand? Everybody have to get it. I saw it out of war, go, brother. You cannot kill one man and then when you look one next man live if you come diss you back or go after you for revenge. No, nobody now get no revenge in this. You understand? So look here now. So after Alkaline said no mercy, cause so it going on. The man running at the place, kidnap, squash them, dirt them, seeing lyrically, and then man them a ball, man say yo, no mercy. Run out. And then after that now, you know say after you running a mobile, dirt the man them, no mercy, then you know say police are go forward after you. You gonna be most wanted man in the street right now. And that I go on, you know. You see it. So the man say most wanted in the street. Where I talk at the town. Cause remember, state of emergency, you know. Man, go for them, collect them and take them out of them place. Yo, deal with them away. Them end up in a, you see me, I kill everybody. Everybody I get it, nobody now left. You see it? Nobody. 6 mash up. Nobody now say 6 again. You know see what go on? Nobody now say 6. They usually have a song where say, if you now say 6, no girl no want you. But look at it now. Right now if you say 6, no girl no want you. You understand? Because back then when you say 6, girl want you. But now if you say 6, no girl no want you. So, most wanted in the street. Alkaline. After him did the man and mash them up on everything. Most wanted. So you realize this is the real art of war. You understand? You have to do it. Alright, it's like this. If you think how if something go physically, Zane, a man running at some man place, go kidnap them. Zane, dirt them. Wanna see it in a movie. Run go in a man place, kidnap them, dirt them, Zane, family a ball for mercy, whosoever a ball for mercy. After that now, you're gonna be most wanted man in the street. Because police are gonna follow after you. So if you see the line of the song, so state of emergency, running a place, kidnap, then dirt after, so you kidnap, then no mercy, seeing, you know, pardon nobody can look ya. You take them out one by one, you know. One by one you take them, so no mercy. You go hear man a father, man a say, yo dad, yo no take that one there, yo nobody kill all of them. Yeah, no mercy, everybody I get it. Seeing, and then now, after you do that now, police are gonna look for you, you're gonna be the most wanted man in the street. Talk at the town, yo. Go Alka the man them lyrically. You hurt the man them. Cause remember, you know, when the 6 them forward out, you know. Them act like them are the toughest. After what, remember, you know, I just Alkaline alone. But look at now, people. Him, daddy 1. Right now in turn 0. Because look at now. We can't find him. We cannot find him. He missing. You understand? It's like how them say your lizard missing. That one yeah, he missing. We can't find him. Although, that's why they say no mercy. Although him not depend on the funeral program, Fiend body, they can't find Fiend body. That's why funeral program I show you a while ago. Yeah. He not depend it. But him now, they can't find Fiend body. I don't know what them do with Fiend body. So me I tell you say, yo, this a art of war, you understand? You can't just say, yo, yeah, this a man or first of all, if you go start a clash, right? You have to make the song them move like in a story format. Right? So you know, say, alright, you walk, same like this. Alright, you run in a some man place, kidnap them, carry them go one place, deal with them, might talk lyrically in people. Seeing? But in a physical way. Yeah. Cause you watch movie and you see how people kidnap people, carry them go one place and deal with them. And you have one somebody in there we have bad for mercy. Please don't take my life. Please don't take my life. Yeah. Seen? Please don't take my life. And man, them not kill, man, them just in a movie you just say, man just kill the person same way. Yeah. So after that now, when you look, after that at me now, I be a police I go and run down your man them. Most them are gonna be most wanted set of man them. Yeah. So that is how this is the art of war way. When you drop clash song, drop it like a movie, like a storyline. So look how Alkaline is. State of emergency. Go in at the place, take out the man and boom. Can them go one place, bam, bam, bam. Take out them life, boom. One a ball for mercy, or a ball for mercy, bam. And then now, after them a ball for mercy and you take them out, police are gonna come for you. Most wanted, you're gonna be the most wanted, man. So I saw you have to line up the song them. You can't just jump in a clash and you sing about this and you sing about that. No. You have to, when you do them something, you have to make sure to look at the song them, follow off at the last this song. I saw you have to do it. So you have state of emergency, run in a place, Ray kidnap, death announcement, you deal with them, Ray. After that, you're not left nobody, no mercy. Right? And then now, after you do that now, you're gonna be the most wanted man in the street. So you see how the art of war work, I saw you have to do it. That's why the people must say, yo, massacre, what you do? See? Because the clash, the clash is not like, oh, Alkaline deal with the six them. And I like that. But imagine, one man, I deal with a whole camp. Remember, a DC people them want massacre to do, This, the man them want massacre to do. So if you want this cartel, family, the whole camp, I saw you have to do it, brother. And you do it in line. Follow up. You cannot this is a man and you left that the man. No. If you want to take over the place, what you think Alkaline do after this? Right now, the six them not even there mobile no more. You understand? The six, I saw you take over place. Yeah. So when Massacre the day man talk about, yo, this a man, yo, are you me want war, yo, your boss, you this, you that, and I take man flow in a song, brother. Bro, if you are war, you have to war like you can't, you see the camp where the man you forward from, right? If you know a man in a camp and I like him have him own thing, like you have to diss the whole thing. So if a Gaza him say, you have to diss the whole Gaza. I art a war that, brother. Everybody, nobody nothing left. You say if Massacre did do that, trust me, it'll be a different outcome. So you see like how Alkaline deal with the six them. Look on the six them career today. One day a jail, one affair work off him life a job 100 song. Next one them can't find him. We not see him. And see him up on the screen here. Daddy one. Them can't find him. Lyrical. Them can't see him. When him disappear, can't be found. So this is what happened. Remember the six them is a running place where they after Alkaline, everybody split up, Everybody gone, Split up. Nobody now do no song together again and Alkaline mash up everything. This is the art of war. When you drop song, just drop clash song, so like and scatter. You must supposed to make the song them follow up. Yeah, make it follow up off of each other. You can't drop this song and then when you drop the next song, it's like, brother, where you gone? What you talk about now? Yeah. So me rate how Alkaline deal with the six them and man, the song them is so on point and so parallel. You understand? The song them parallel to the story if you take out the six them. You can't even read the storyline through the song. Right? As me say, state of emergency, the man them Alkaline and the theme killers them going at this are lyrical, people. Seeing? Going at the place, going at mobile, kidnap the six them, take them out. You understand? Death announcement. And then you have one day that we are ball for mercy. And you just take out that. And then now, you're going to be the most wanted man. Because police are going to offer you. After you done shoot up and one, police are going to after you, so most wanted. Yeah, Most wanted I go on after that, you know. You go be talk I told him and say, yo, this a man a just ray some man and shoot the place. Yeah, police are gonna offer you. So I saw you have to read the storyline. You can't just a war and have no. You understand? The story to the thing. The follow up. So no, Massacre, I don't think Massacre Massacre just used him gun song them. You understand? It just gun song them to me. I just some see people, gun song. So right now, I don't know. Everybody had his perspective on the but I don't know, it's like Massacre, I just him regular song. Him have some point in there, you know, where him talk something, but it's like I don't know, the song them not punch. It not punch. After you use cartel flow this so. And then, you know, that song they we fit this up the whole of Alliance. And you not diss up the whole of Gaza with the same. No, bro, it don't make no sense. But people only don't know media facts, you know. Art of war. So Alkaline did the six them. Where them they know? Six turn ticks. Everybody see it. Yeah, and if Alkaline never damages six them, then we're there today. Yeah. Cause remember, you know, after Alkaline did them away and everything, you know, you play smash up. Yeah, play smash up, but I don't know any people. I want media facts, you know. Yeah, man, I don't know. Bless up. That is it.